we have the best invention in the show. You wonder, what is this best invention that we have? Nope, not the iPhone. Nope, not the iPad. We have vacuum cleaners. You wonder, why am I talking about vacuum cleaners? Well, vacuum cleaners are something you probably use in your everyday life. Maybe, sometimes. If your house is really dirty. They're used to clean up dust, and some more dust. And they can even pick up little things, which you shouldn't do, because I'm a beetle. Bugs and vacuum cleaners are bad. So that's all what vacuum cleaners are about. Is this thing on? Oh wait, no.
I am the spider, it's poison, it won't bite. Oh look out, I'm an excellent fighter. The creepers and zombies, other mobs of the night. Spiders give you some strength.